Welcome back to a non-stop coverage. Sena targets Sushant Singh Rajput family. In fact, Sena targets SSR family is also our hashtag as we break this big story. A shocking comment from somebody who's very close to the Maharashtra Chief Minister, Sena Supremo Uddhav Thackeray. Sanjay Raut has once again crossed the line after maligning Sushant's family, for which he was sent a show cause notice. He refused to apologize, and today at a news conference he said everybody should keep quiet, Sushant's family should keep shut, because the Mumbai police, you see, is probing the case. Tomorrow, viewers, it will be exactly 2 months, because June 14th was when Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his Mumbai home. Ever since, the Mumbai police has been accused of botching a probe, and there have been no clear answers coming from the Maharashtra government and the Mumbai police. This is what Sanjay Raut said. Listen in to believe it.
सुशांत सिंह मामले को लेकर आपने कहा है परिवार को कि फिलहाल वो शांत बैठे, तो ऐसा क्यों?
मैंने क्या कहा आपने सुना नहीं। मैंने कहा कि सभी ने शांत बैठना चाहिए जब तक मुंबई पुलिस का जांच पूरी नहीं होती। सभी राजनीतिक दल, हमारे विरोधी, परिवार के लोग, अब मुझे लगता है कि समय आ रहा है कि मुंबई पुलिस की जांच पूरी हो जाएगी।
सभी ने शांत बैठना चाहिए is Mr. Sanjay Raut's advice, but why did he not say this to the Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, who jumped the gun and called it suicide just hours after Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead? What explains the comments by the Maharashtra Home Minister and several other leaders from the Congress, Sena and the NCP camp? Yesterday, Majid Memon of the NCP, he insulted Sushant by saying that he wasn't as popular in his lifetime as he has become after his death. And this is today an open attempt to intimidate Sushant Singh Rajput's family that has made serious charges against not just the Mumbai police but also the Maharashtra government by saying that the Maharashtra government is acting under some kind of political pressure. Remember, the family lawyer has been speaking to Times Now, and he had also said that the Mumbai police was forcing Sushant Singh Rajput's family to name some production houses. Why was the Mumbai police doing that? Should Sanjay Raut not advise the Mumbai police to keep quiet? Should Sanjay Raut not advise the NCP leaders to keep quiet? Because NCP is also part of the Aghadi government. And why are leaders like Sanjay Raut not keeping quiet? Because every time he utters a word, he insults Sushant Singh Rajput's family, whose only crime, it seems, is to demand justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Priyank is now joining us. We've also opened our call-in lines. Shaina NC also joining us on the phone line. Shaina NC, what do you make of this open dhamki by Uddhav Sanjay Raut?
Well, I think it would be better if they speak on the case rather than giving unnecessary threats. When they wrote the editorial in Samna, it was a character assassination which was not required. They should have spoken about the facts. If 48 hours after the so-called suicide, abetment or murder, the place of the crime was still not seized by the Mumbai police, why don't you answer that question? 55 days down, an FIR was not registered. When Devendra Fadnavis, leader of opposition, raised the question of financial irregularity and said a case should be registered with the ED, a case was not registered then too. Why don't you answer on these serious questions rather than going into father-son relations or suggesting that people should speak or not? The media is doing the job that it should in its well within its jurisdiction. It is for the Mumbai police and Maharashtra government to answer on these fundamental points. No,
I want to ask Shaina NC and correct me if I am wrong. Isn't Sanjay Raut speaking out of turn here? Who is he? Is he the minister in the Maharashtra government? Is he a police officer? How is he talking like this? Who is he to summon the family? And this is more than just a sermon. This is open intimidation. Dhamki hai ye. Sabhi ne shant baithna chahiye. What does he mean by this?
The less said, the better. I don't think I want to speak on Mr. Sanjay Raut because he has led by example when it comes to his typical language of demeaning people or humiliating. Let's avoid that and stick to the facts of the case. But having said that, I think they have some serious answers. And I'm glad that this CBI investigation, which is going to be a free and fair probe, will come out in the public domain in due course of time.
All right. China NC, thank you for speaking to Times Now. Priyank Arunil joining me live on this. Arunil, why is the Sena so jittery? Why are they going after the family? The Sena government, the Maharashtra government could not prevent the mishap because as early as February, the Mumbai police was informed by Sushant Singh Rajput's family. They failed to act. They botched up the probe. Now when the family is demanding justice, they are saying, keep quiet.
Well, but that is because, Pranesh, they have failed. That is because, Pranesh, they have failed. They are trying to failure now. This clearly reflects the ulterior motive of the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders. The aim is not to give justice to Sushant Singh Rajput, but to demean a person who has lost his life. He cannot defend himself. In fact, this is the same Sanjay Raut who spoke against the father of Sushant Singh Rajput as well, saying that.
All right, I'll come to you in just a bit. Just hold that line. Patricia is a viewer joining us from Kotagiri. Yes, please go ahead.
Hello?
Yeah, you're on Times Now, Patricia. Go ahead.
Yes. You know, I'm very proud of your channel. I pray that every dreams of you will succeed. It's a great channel to watch. Watching your channel makes me happy, and I'm not hungry too. Your channel gives me good food, and it's like a cup of coffee. I really pray for you to achieve this goal. Thank you. Keep going. It's a great job.
Thank you, Patricia. Kind words, words of encouragement from viewers always help. Navya joining us from Bengaluru. Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
Yeah, many congratulations. You're pursuing it to the hilt. But what's important to notice is that an entire government is suddenly jittery, suddenly panicky. And why are they so interested in trying to save Rhea Chakrabarti, not from being investigated, forget being, tried. Yeah, they are very, very scared of an investigation, which is fishy, which is thinking of connivance, and they are definitely hiding something. And attacking a deceased person or his family, it's really low. And I think the Sena needs to introspect and really, really understand as to this is not going to go down well with anybody. In India, these kind of politics are over. Thank you.
Right. Navya, if you were to say this to Sanjay Raut, he would perhaps tell you to keep quiet. But thanks for joining us and sharing your views. Priyank, what do you make of this remark? Isn't this open dhamki? Why is Sanjay Raut talking like this?
See, Pranesh, when you don't have anything substantial to talk in public, you will come out with these kind of sort of explanation. First of all, there has been an attempt by the political parties here to, bifurcate the sentiments of what Bihar police were doing and what Maharashtra police was doing. And now this kind of statement coming out openly about the victim family, that they need to keep their mouth shut if they are demanding justice, it's certainly discriminating a particular victim family. And it is also depressing to see that when you are in position of power, when you can provide justice to someone, and if people are talking and demanding justice, you are telling them to keep their mouth shut. If that is so, then certainly people of Maharashtra will have to take a very serious call that on these kind of thing, that Sushant Singh Rajput, a taxpayer who was giving his sweat and blood for the city of Mumbai, he was living here, he was a taxpayer, he was working for the film industry. If his family is told to be shut and their mouth to be shut, then it is very well easy to realize that what could be the situation for those people who are not in power or don't have this kind of charismatic personality that every media channel would come and talk about their right. So this kind of strategy is certainly very sad to see. We have seen that what happened to Disha Salyan case, nothing was done. Then we have seen that what happened in this particular case where the accused side was talking to the DCP.
I'll come to you, Priyank. You are making valid points. Our viewers calling us from not just India, from across the world. Shweta now calling us from Ipswich in UK. Yes, Shweta.
Yeah,
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Actually, I am here in Ipswich, United Kingdom, and I am watching your channel, and I can say that I am very happy that you are doing justice with Sushant and Sushant's family. Here in Ipswich, also in United Kingdom, also everyone is just praying that we will get justice, and we will hope for the CBI inquiry. They are actually, I am not happy with those people who are insulting his family. Sushant is not there, but insulting his family is very bad and very pathetic. It is very painful to, without knowing anything, you are insulting their parents, their family. So I hope, and we are watching your channel in the UK, and we are hoping that soon the justice will come and the judges will give the CBI inquiry. So,
thank you, Shweta, for your kind words. We are glad that Times Now campaign for justice is resonating across the world, from fans to family members of Sushant Singh Rajput. Times Now, they have their faith in Times Now. We have more viewers calling us. Kamal is on the line from Delhi.
I just want to say that it speaks very low of Sanjay Raut to talk like this to the bereaved family. It really speaks of his own karma. He should just realize, instead of doing the justice to the case, look into the details and bring out the right facts about in the public, than to go on slandering the family. It is so hurting. They already lost their son. He should really be shut. He should. That's what I feel.
Right. And many people are echoing that sentiment. Kamal from Delhi, they're joining us. Nemavati is on the line from Ghaziabad. Yes, ma'am.
Being a teacher for 25-26 years, I have developed a love towards my younger generation. And it is so pathetic to see such a brilliant person being erased from the life in such a cruel way. What was the need to kill a person? And after that, these political parties are blaming each other. And what is the need for the political leaders to involve in judiciary? There is a very clear distinction. There is a separate system that runs through. So if you want to give justice to a child, a young man, I'm not supporting him because he was an actor. I'm just supporting seeing his curiosity towards the space, seeing his kind of a physical activity. I really feel very bad. It is time that the younger generation should take charge of our country. I am neither against to any political party, nor I am against to anybody. But what I want to see is that...
Right. I understand you're angry, Nemavati. Thank you for connecting, sharing your views. Venkatesh is joining us from Mumbai. Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. See, I'm very thankful to the for taking up this cause for such a long duration of time. What I have to say is that you just catch hold of only 4 people. That is, there's Riyad Chakravarti, his manager, there's Pitani, and the Sanjay Singh. These people has to be taken to the task, and the case can be simplified. In just one day, this case can be solved. This is a clear-cut intention of the government and the police of Maharashtra. They don't want to investigate this. They want to cover up the whole issue. Not to investigate and give justice.
Cover up is what Mr. Venkatesh is saying. Thank you, sir. Narayan joining us from Bengaluru. Yes, sir, you're on Times Now. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. My name is Narayan Nagar. Sir, it is surprising that the name of fair play. Hello?
Yes, sir. We can hear you. Go ahead.
It is highly surprising that in the name of fair play, government of Maharashtra and Bombay police, which is known for its fair, impartial, and quite straight investigations, have tried to sabotage or try to suppress the real facts leading to Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput's sudden and demise. It is very bad, and I am ashamed to say now that police in Maharashtra as well as government in Maharashtra have no time for people's life.
We understand what you're saying, sir. Thank you. Anil Grover joining us from Mumbai. Good afternoon, Mr. Grover. Go ahead.
A very good afternoon to you. All I want to say is, कहते हैं कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा बोझ होता है, that is बाप के कंधे पे बेटे का जनाजा. And all I want to say again is, a son has died and people are criticizing, fine. But the thing is, let me be very honest with you, if there is God, बेटा खोना क्या होता है बहुत जल्द सबको पता चल जाएगा.
बिल्कुल. Anil Grover, thank you for connecting, sharing your thoughts. But before we slip into a quick break, listen to what Sanjay Raut said.
सुशांत सिंह मामले को लेकर आपने कहा है परिवार को कि फिलहाल वो शांत बैठे, तो ऐसा क्यों?
मैंने क्या कहा आपने सुना नहीं. मैंने कहा कि सभी ने शांत बैठना चाहिए जब तक मुंबई पुलिस का जांच पूरी नहीं हुई. सभी राजनीतिक दल, हमारे विरोधी, परिवार के लोग, अब मुझे लगता है कि समय आ रहा है कि मुंबई पुलिस की जांच पूरी हो जाएगी.